Elder care is a global challenge, but different countries have responded to it in different ways. Nations like Singapore and China have already faced rapid aging and have built scalable systems to support seniors, not by replacing families, but by strengthening them with community care, trained caregivers, and government support. For India, these models offer valuable lessons that can be adapted to local cultural, economic, and family realities. One of the strongest shared lessons from Singapore and China is the focus on aging in place. Instead of moving seniors into institutions, both countries invest in community-based models that keep elders at home while surrounding them with support. Daycare centers, rehabilitation hubs, and neighborhood care facilities provide medical, social, and therapy services close to where seniors live. China's 15-minute care circles ensure elder care services are available within walking distance, while Singapore integrates healthcare, social interaction, and rehabilitation into community hubs. For India, this highlights the need to move elder care closer to homes and neighborhoods, especially in dense urban areas. Another key lesson is scale. China has demonstrated that elder care cannot grow without massive investment in caregiver training. Government-supported programs have professionalized caregiving and created millions of jobs to meet rising demand. Singapore complements this with strong regulation and subsidies, supporting families who hire caregivers or enroll seniors in community programs while maintaining quality and accountability. For India, this means combining large-scale caregiver training with supportive public policies, particularly for dementia and palliative care, so families are not left to manage care alone. Both Singapore and China use technology as a bridge between families, caregivers, and healthcare systems. Remote monitoring, health apps, and telemedicine reduce hospital visits, improve safety, and give families real-time visibility into care. Importantly, technology does not replace human caregivers, it strengthens supervision, transparency, and trust. In India, affordable mobile-first solutions can play the same role, connecting families across cities and countries while ensuring consistent care on the ground. Life Circle is translating these global learnings into practical, India-ready solutions. Community-based elder care pilots are being planned in cities like Hyderabad and Delhi NCR. Through Care Vidya Academy and the CareTube app, women and youth are trained at scale to deliver professional elder care. The Life Circle app enables caregiver monitoring, feedback, and real-time updates for families. And through partnerships with CSR and healthcare organizations, Life Circle is building scalable, sustainable care models. These efforts bring together community care, workforce development, and technology adapted for Indian families. India has a unique opportunity to turn global elder care learnings into local solutions. By combining Singapore's community-first approach with China's scale in caregiver training, India can build a resilient elder care ecosystem that supports seniors, empowers caregivers, and reassures families. Here are some things people who have experienced our caregiver model had to say. For more information, contact Life Circle today. Visit lifecircle.in, call 0797136741 or download the Life Circle app.